डिस्कस कर रहे हैं प्रॉब्लम बेस्ड ऑन डिजिट्स अरेंजमेंट. ओके, सो दीज प्रॉब्लम्स वी आर डिवाइडिंग इनटू टू पार्ट. फर्स्ट part is what? If 0 is not included. So in this type of problem 0 will not come. Okay, so in this part we are having two type of problem. First type is what? Repetition not allowed. Okay, in short we can add R and A, and second is what? Repetition allowed. In short we can add R A, repetition allowed. Okay, second part is what? If 0 is included. So in this type of problem we'll include 0. Okay, in this one also we are having two type of problem. First is what? Repetition not allowed. Second is what? Repetition allowed. Okay, so first we'll discuss first part, that is if 0 is not included. So in this one we will not include 0. Okay, so this I will explain by example. Okay, so first example is find total number of 4-digit number which is formed by using 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so this is first problem. So in this problem we are having two type of problem. One is what? Repetition not allowed, and second is what? Repetition allowed. So first problem is we want 4-digit number. That means you will take 4 place. 1 2 3 4. Okay, and these 4 place we have to fill by 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, out of 7 digits if you put 4 digit here you will get 4-digit number. Okay, so first problem is what? Repetition not allowed. Okay, so in this one only condition is what? Repetition not allowed. There is no other condition. Okay, if there is no other condition we can start from anywhere. We can start from here also, here also, here also, here also. Okay, I'm starting from here. Okay, so first I'm filling first place. Okay, now for filling first place how many choice we have? Okay, so this place we can put what? 1 also, 2 also, 3 also, 4 also, 5 also, 6 also, 7 also. Okay, so first place we can fill by these 7 numbers. So for filling first place we have how many choice? 7 choice. So we are putting 7 here. Okay, that means out of 7 numbers one number we are putting here. Suppose we are putting here 1. Okay, now after filling first place, okay, we'll get what? Single digit number, but we want 4-digit number. That means we have to fill all the 4 place. Correct? That means your task is not over. Okay, that means you have to use multiplication. If your task is not over we have to use multiplication. Okay, now if you check here, if 1 is coming here that means 1 can't come here because given is what? Repetition not allowed. If 1 is coming here that means repetition is allowed, but we want repetition not allowed. That means if 1 is coming here that means 1 can't come any other place. Okay, now if you fill second place, okay, so this place we can put what? Either 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so for filling second place how many choice we have? 6. So we have to use 6 here. Okay, so for filling this number, this place we have 6 choice. Okay, so after filling this one, suppose here we are putting what? 4. Okay, so after filling second place we will get 2-digit number. Okay, but we want 4-digit number. That means your task is not over. That means you have to use multiplication. Correct? Now after putting 4 here, correct, 4 can't repeat here. Okay, so 4 also we are cancelling here. Okay, now if you fill third place, okay, so at this place either we can put 2 3 5 6 7. Okay, so for filling this place how many choice we have? 5 choice. So into 5. Correct? Now after filling this one, suppose you are putting here 3. Correct? So we can say that 3 can't repeat. Okay, so 3 also we are cancelling. Correct? Now your task is not over because you have to fill this one also. So we have to use multiplication. If task is not over we have to use multiplication. Okay, now you have to fill this place also. Okay, so at this place we can put either 2 or 5 or 6 or 7. So for filling this one how many choice we have? 4 choice. So into 4. Now after filling this one, suppose here what is coming? 5 is coming. Correct? So after filling this number we got 4-digit number 5341. This is 4-digit number 5341. So this is 4-digit number. That means your task is over. Okay, so answer is what? 4 into 5 into 6 into 7. This is your answer for repetition not allowed. Second problem is repetition allowed. Okay, so we want 4-digit number. So you are taking 4 place. Okay, so 4-digit number you are taking 4 place. Okay, and if you fill 4 place by 4 digits you will get 4-digit number, but we have to use only these digits 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so first we are filling first place. Okay, so at this place we can put what? 1 also, or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7. Okay, so for filling first place how many choice we have? We have 7 choice. Correct? Because 7 digits are given. Okay, suppose here 1 is coming. Okay, so after filling first place we got single digit number. That means your task is not over because you have to fill all the 4 place, correct? So what you have to use? Multiplication, because your task is not over. Okay, now we are filling this place. Okay, so at this place we can put what? 1 also, because repetition is allowed, so 1 can repeat. So 2 also, 3 also, and 4 also, 5 also, 6 also, 7 also. So for filling this place, how many choice we have? 7 choice. So what will come? 7. Okay, suppose here 2 is coming. Okay, so we got what? 2 digit number. Okay, now your task is not over. That means again you have to use multiplication. Okay, now you have to fill third place also. Okay, so here also we can put either 1, 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7. So how many choice we have? 7 choice. So into 7. Okay, suppose here 2 is coming, correct? Now again we got 3 digit number, correct? Now again we have to use multiplication sign because task is not over. Now you have to fill this place also. Okay, so for filling this place, how many choice we have? 7 choice. So into 7, and suppose here we are putting 1. Okay, 1 to 2 1. So we got 4 digit number. So answer is got 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. Okay, so if repetition is allowed, what will come? 7 power 4. This is your answer. Next problem is using 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 find 4 digit total number. Okay, here we have two problems: repetition not allowed. Second is what? Repetition allowed. Second problem is what? Find 4 digit even number. Third is what? Find 4 digit number divisible by 5. Fourth is what? Find 4 digit number divisible by 4. And fifth is what? Find 4 digit number greater than 3000 and less than 7000. Okay, with every problem we have two problems: repetition not allowed. Second is what? Repetition allowed. Okay, so first problem, find 4 digit total number. Okay, first we are doing repetition not allowed. Okay, so we want 4 digit number. That means you are taking 4 place. Okay, so there is no restriction. Okay, only restriction is what? Repetition not allowed. Okay, so first we have to fill this place. Okay, so for filling first place, how many choice we have? Okay, at this place we can put 1 also, 2 also, 3 also, 4 also, 5 also, 6 also, 7 also, 8 also, 9 also. So how many choice we have? 9 choice. Okay, suppose at this place we are putting what? 2, correct? Now we got single digit number. After filling first place we got single digit number, but we want 4 digit number. That means we have to fill all the 4 place. Okay, so your task is not over, so we have to use multiplication. Okay, now you have to fill second place. Okay, at this place we can't put 2 because repetition is not allowed. Except 2 we can put any number. So how many numbers are there? 9 numbers. Out of 9 numbers, one number is what? 2. So we can't put 2 here. Then how many numbers are remaining? 8 numbers. So for filling this place, how many choice we have? 8 choice. So into 8. Again task is not over, so multiplication. Okay, so we have to fill this place also. Okay, suppose at this place we are putting 1 here, correct? Now at this place, okay, out of 9 numbers, 2 numbers we put here. Okay, so remaining is what? 7 numbers. So this place we can put how many numbers? 7 numbers. So into 7, correct? Suppose here we are putting 3, correct? Again we have to fill this one also, so your task is not over, so we have to use multiplication. Okay, so for filling this number, okay, so out of 9 numbers we have put 3 number here, 1 2 3. Okay, so remaining is what? 6 number. So for filling this place, how many choice we have? 6 choice. So into 6. Okay, so our answer is what? 6 into 7 into 8 into 9. This is your answer for first problem. Okay, second is what? Repetition allowed. If repetition is allowed, okay, same thing, we are taking 4 digits. Okay, so we are taking 4 place. Okay, now first place, how many choice? 9 choice. Okay, you have to fill this one also, so what you have to do is multiplication. Okay, this place also how many choice? 9 choice. Okay, again we have to fill this one also, so again multiplication 9. Again we have to fill this one also into 9. So what will come? 9 power 4. If repetition is allowed, 9 power 4. Okay, second problem is what? Find 4 digit even number. Okay, so first problem is what? Repetition not allowed, correct? Repetition not allowed, so we want even number. Okay, so a number is even if this place is what? Even. Okay, that means here we can put either 2, 4, 6 or 8, correct? Then only even number is possible. So if condition is given, so first we have to fulfill the condition. Okay, condition is what? This place should be even. Okay, that means this place we can put only 4 numbers. Okay, out of 4 numbers, one number we are putting here. Suppose we are putting 2 here, correct? Now at this place also we have to fill, correct now, because we want 4-digit number. That means we have to fill all the 4 numbers. So what will come? Multiplication sign. Okay, now 2 we are putting here. Here we can put any number we can put here, but except 2, because 2 already filled and repetition is not allowed. Okay, that means how many numbers are remaining? 8 numbers are remaining. So this place we can put 8 numbers. Correct. Now again, task is not over. We have to fill this also. Correct. So out of 9 numbers we are putting 2 number here. Correct. That means 7 numbers are remaining. So into 7, again into this also we have to fill. So how many choice we have? Again, out of 9 numbers, 3 numbers we are putting here. Correct. So 6 numbers are remaining. So this place we can fill by 6 numbers. So what is the answer? 6 into 7 into 8 into 4. Okay. And second is what? Repetition allowed. Okay, repetition is allowed. Then again, okay, we want even number. Then again, this place we can put only 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. If repetition is allowed also, then also this place should be what? Either 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, then because we want even numbers, so this place we can fill by 4 number. Okay, again into, because we have to fill all the 4 place. So that's why task is not over. We have to use multiplication sign. Okay, so this place how many number we can put? Because repetition is allowed, so all the 9 number we can put here. So for this one, 9 choice. Again into, because we have to fill this one also. So okay, how many choice? 9. Again into for this one, so here also 9. So what will come? 9 into 9 into 9 into 4. This is your answer. Third problem is find 4-digit number divisible by 5. Okay, here also we have 2 problems. Repetition not allowed. Second is what? Repetition allowed. Okay, so first we are doing repetition not allowed. Okay, so again we are taking 4 place. Okay, all the 4 place we have to fill because we want 4-digit number. Okay, now we want number should be divisible by 5. Okay, any number is divisible by 5 if unity place is what? Either 5 or 0. Okay, but here 0 is not there. That means this place should be what? 5. Okay, that means for filling this place, how many choice we have? Only 1 choice. Correct. Your task is not over, so we have to use multiplication. Okay, second place also we have to fill. Okay, but given is what? Repetition not allowed. That means 5 will not repeat. Correct. So out of 9 numbers, 5 we are putting here. Then remaining is what? 8 numbers. So this place we can put how many numbers? 8 number. So how many choice? 8 choice into. Correct. We have to fill this place also. Okay, so out of 9 numbers we are putting 2 number here. So remaining is what? 7. So this place we can put how many numbers? 7 numbers. So into 7. Again we have to use multiplication because we have to fill this place also. Correct. So here, okay, so out of 9 numbers, 3 number we are putting here. Correct. So remaining is what? 6 numbers. So this place we can put how many numbers? 6 numbers. So into 6. So what is the answer? 6 into 7 into 8 into 1. Okay, now second problem is what? Repetition allowed. Okay, so this problem we have to do. So again we want 4-digit number, so we are taking 4 place. All the 4 place we have to fill. Okay, second thing is what? Number should be divisible by 5. So same thing, this place must be what? 5 only. Correct. So for this place how many choice we have? Only 1 choice. Okay, again task is not over, so we have to use multiplication. Okay, so you have to fill this one also. Okay, repetition is allowed. That means 5 can repeat here. Okay, so for filling this place how many choice we have? 9 choice into 9. Correct. Again task is not over, so we have to use multiplication. Okay, so you have to fill this place also. How many choice we have? 9 choice. Again multiplication, and for this one also how many choice? 9 choice. So what is the answer? 9 into 9 into 9 into 1. This is your answer. Okay, fourth problem is find 4-digit number divisible by 4. Okay, here we have 2 problems. Repetition not allowed. Second is repetition allowed. Okay, so first we are doing repetition not allowed. Okay, so we want 4-digit number. Okay, so we are taking 4 place. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. Okay, and that number should be divisible by 4. Okay, any number is divisible by 4 if last 2 place should be what? Divisible by 4. Okay, now what we'll do here, we'll find out what are the combination is possible. For that, these two place is divisible by 4. Okay, so if here is 1 and here is 2. Okay, so first number is what? 1 and 2. If I put 1 here and 2 here, so we know that 12 is divisible by 4. Okay, or 1 6. Okay, 1 6 is also divisible by 4. Okay, second place is what? 1 and unity place is what? 6. Or 2 0. 2 0 is not possible because 0 is not there. Or 2 4. Okay, so unity place is what? 4 and second place is what? 2. Or 2 8. Or 3 2. Or 3 6. 4 0 is not possible because 0 is not there. Okay, 44 is possible if repetition is allowed. Okay, 48 or 52, 56, 60 is not possible, 64, 68, 72, 76. It is not possible. 84, 88 is possible if repetition is allowed. 92, 96. Okay, so how many combinations are there? 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. How many combinations? 16 combinations. Correct? So in number, 4 digit number, we have to find out divisible by 4. Okay, that means this last two place, how many combinations are there? 16 combination. So we can put here 16 combination. Okay, but you have to fill these two also. So task is not over. So what you do? Multiplication. Okay, so out of 9 numbers, 2 numbers you are putting here. Okay, remaining is what? 7. So this place we can put how many numbers? 7 numbers. Correct. Again multiplication, because we have to fill this one also. Okay, now out of 9 numbers, 3 numbers we are putting here. 1, 2, 3. So remaining is what? 6. So this place we can put how many numbers? 6 numbers. So what is the answer? 6 into 7 into 16. Next we want repetition allowed. Okay, so again we want 4 digit number divisible by 4 where repetition is allowed. So we are taking how many place? 4 place. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now here repetition is allowed. Again we want divisible by 4. That means these two places should be what? Divisible by 4. So how many combination will be that? 16 is what? This one, and repetition is allowed. So these two also we can put. Okay, so how many combination will be there? 18. Now again task is not over because we have to fill these two places also. So into. Okay, here repetition is allowed. That means this place how many number we can put? Because how many numbers are there? 9 digits. Okay, that means this place we can put how many numbers? 9 numbers into. Okay, repetition is allowed. So this place also we can put how many numbers? 9 numbers. So what is the answer? 9 into 9 into 18. This is your answer if repetition is allowed. Last problem is find 4 digit number greater than 3000 and less than 7000. Okay, so here also we have two problems, repetition not allowed, second is what? Repetition allowed. Okay, so first we are doing repetition not allowed. Okay, so again we have to find a 4 digit number. Okay, and given condition is what? Number should be greater than 3000 and less than 7000. Okay, that means condition is what? At 1000 place. So this place is condition. Okay, so at this place either we can put what? 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. Correct? Because if you put 1 and 2, so we'll get about 1000 something, or if you put 2 8, so 2000 will come. But we want greater than 3000. So here we can put what? 3, 4, 5, 6. We can't put 7 also, because if you put 7 here, number will be what? Greater than 7000 will come. Okay, so we want number should be what? Greater than 3000 and less than 7000. That means this place should be what? Either 3, 4, 5, 6. So this place we can put how many numbers? 4 numbers. Okay, now again multiplication. We have to fill this one also. Okay, now out of 9 numbers, 1 number we are putting here. So remaining is what? 8 numbers. So this place we can put how many numbers? 8 number. Again task is not over. So again multiplication. This place how many number we can put? Because out of 9 numbers, 2 numbers we are putting here. So 7 number is remaining. So into 7. Again into this place also we have to fill. So out of 9 number, 3 number we are putting here. So remaining is what? 6. So this place we can put how many numbers? 6 number. So what is the answer? 4 into 8 into 7 into 6. Okay. Next problem is what? Find 4 digit number greater than 3000 and less than 7000 if repetition is allowed. Okay, so second problem is what? Repetition allowed. Again 4 digit number we want. Okay, same thing, number should be what? Greater than 3000 and less than 7000. Okay, so this place should be what? Either 3, 4, 5 or 6. Okay, so for filling this number, how many choice we have? 4 choice. Okay, again what will come? Multiplication, because task is not over. Okay, so here repetition is allowed. That means this place how many number we can put? 9 number. Okay, similarly this place also we can put how many numbers? 9 number. Again into will come. Okay, again into will come because you have to fill this one also. So again 9 will come because repetition is allowed. So what is the answer? 4 into 9 into 9 into 9. Okay, so if repetition is allowed, what is the answer? 4 into 9 cube.